At bago tama si Oscar na nakaalis na si Manny na kanyang kanan, nandun. Ang ikot ni Manny is towards the left side of Oscar De La Hoya. Hindi siya matamaan ng kanan na ika-counter sana ni Oscar De La Hoya. Pagtama ni Manny ng kanyang kaliwa.
So far, Manny Pacquiao was taking all first 3 rounds. Using excellent speed, ano?
Chino, still trying to be aggressive.
Uy, tinamaan siya nun ah.
That's a big punch from De La Hoya.
That's the first big punch.
That's a right hand by De La Hoya connecting from the face of Pacquiao.
Oh, jab-jab po!
De La Hoya clean up left hand.
Ang dalawa, 1,000 yun. Hindi mo kailangan 1,000 yun, tol! Woo! Seryoso ka po, mamaya makaihi.
He's right that Oscar is a little slow.
Slow siya, weak
I didn't
banuds.
expect him to be this slow. I expected him to be a little faster than this because I think that's how he trained. But yes, Manny Pacquiao is so much faster up to this point, and the first 3 rounds is just an example of how fast he is.
Dito pumapasok yung advantage ng speed. Kasi pinag-uusapan natin, ano ba meron si Manny Pacquiao? Yung kanyang foot speed, yung kanyang hand speed. And I think that has been yung preview niya rito. But he gets
Tamaan siya nun, ah.
right of Oscar De La Hoya. 2 right hand shots via Oscar De La Hoya hitting. Ito po si Manny Pacquiao.
Time out, tol, time out.
Also comes into play here, although we're only in round number
Basketball
4.
na, basketball na.
You can see that Manny's relying so much on his speed and footwork.
Oh! Idol, idol.
Walang sagot si Oscar De La Hoya.
Wala kang kwenta!
Manny Pacquiao.
Ilaban nyo na si Obama!
Jab.
Kakagigil eh.
He cannot find a steady target in Manny.
Oh, maong.
While Manny Pacquiao at will in this round number 4 again.
But you know, true to form, De La Hoya took advantage of his finger.
Grabe. Grabe.
I'm just waiting for
Grabe.
Vamos na ba yan?
Sobrang galing, no?
I
Ayun
really
na,
think
tol,
that
bro.
Oscar De La Hoya thinks that he's got the knockout power. And if he lands that big punch, it could turn the table. It could reverse the fortunes in this fight.
Ang ina mo, wag kang gaganyan. Bok ni Nam. Nabibisit ako si 500 yan eh. Ayoko. Mapamatay ako dyan. Woo! Knockout! Oh!
He already knows that that left hand is gonna be his problem all night long.
Magiging
Tap.
irerespeto.
Oh! Banoob! Weak banoobs!
And Manny Pacquiao
Oh!
and De La Hoya is being reduced to a
Oh! 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 Ah!
Akala magiging ganito. Ang ipapakita niyo sa
Gago ka kasi, mapangarap ka.
preparation comes in.
Tayo, bibili talaga ng t-shirt. Hug.
Si Oscar De La Hoya,
Hoy, reference ka dyan. Storbo ka, nabibideo ako.
4-12.
Oh! Okay. Siyempre, Pacquiao na naman. Pacquiao. Pacquiao. Yan, Pacquiao. Tol, ilalamig na siya.